In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your documents by using special characters in Google Docs. Whether you need to include accented letters for foreign languages or special symbols for academic papers, this guide will show you how to get it done quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to go to Google Docs and log in with your account. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Docs URL or search for Google Docs in your search engine. Once you're there, log in with your Google account credentials. You know the drill. This step is crucial because all your documents are saved in the cloud, making it easy to access them from any device. Once you've logged in, it's time to open the document you're working on. If you have an existing document, you can find it under Recent Documents or use the search bar at the top. However, if you're starting fresh and want to make a new document, just click on Start a New Document, the big plus icon. Now that you have your document open, you'll want to find the Insert menu. Look at the top of the page. There's a toolbar with multiple options. Click on Insert. This menu is your gateway to adding all sorts of elements to your document, from images to links, and in this case, symbols. After you've clicked on Insert, you'll notice a drop-down menu has appeared. From here, you'll want to select Symbols to proceed to the next step. The Symbols option will lead you to a plethora of choices for adding various symbols and characters to your text. Next, click on Special Characters. Once you're there, you're greeted with a whole new window showing a range of characters you can insert into your document. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming, you'll soon get the hang of it. Here's where things get interesting. In the search bar provided at the top right of the Special Characters window, type in the name of the letter or symbol you need. For instance, you can type E acute or N tilde. Once you've typed it in, the corresponding accented letter or symbol will appear. Simply click on it and it'll be inserted into your text at the point where your cursor is placed. And here's a pro tip for you. If you're not quite sure about the name of the character you want, there's a handy feature you might like. You can use the drawing box next to the search bar to sketch the letter or symbol you're looking for. As you draw, Google's smart algorithms will automatically search and suggest the closest matches. It's a lifesaver if you're unsure of the exact name of a character. That's it! You now know how to insert special characters in your Google Docs document. With this newfound skill, you can add the precise touch your document needs, making it more accurate and professional. Keep practicing and you'll become a Google Docs pro in no time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.